Mediclinic, highly practical, cloud-based software solution for clinics, consulting rooms, or doctors' practice offices. With this program, your clinic will be in a possess of a powerful tool for effective and efficient patient appointment tracking, follow-up on guest examination cards, medical history, tests and prescriptions, as well as payment collection methods and tracking. Finally, with the analysis and report segment, you will be able to follow the flow of patients and money in your clinic and make future forecasts and strategical decisions more wisely. Now, we will show you how Mediclinic does it all. Agenda is the screen from where we can make an appointment for our patient. From this screen, we can see the doctor's working hours and availability statuses, create new appointment records from the white cells, and quickly access the patient's examination card. With the advanced filtering tool, we can change the view of the calendar for the specific date range, have daily, 3-day, weekly, or monthly overview of the calendar, and choose between different filtering options according to user preferences. We can also easily change the time and date of the appointment with a simple mouse drag and drop action. With the right click on appointment box, we can easily change the status of the related record. Let's make new appointment together. With a double mouse click on the desired field in the calendar, automatically new appointment card is opened. From the patient search field, we can check whether this patient has previously visited our clinic and created a profile. For this, we can either type first letters of name and surname, or click on 3 dots here and a list of all patients' cards will be displayed. By clicking on the desired row and a sign symbol, we will automatically have this patient information displayed to the card. However, in case this is the first time patient in our clinic, we will click on this plus button and open the new profile record. Here we can enter basic information of our new patient, and by pressing the Save button in the upper part of the screen, we will have the new patient card created. In addition, from this screen we can easily access and fill in the guest history record, which will be carefully stored inside Mediclinic program. From Files button, we will be able to upload and keep various documents related to this patient's health condition. From this field, we should select the desired service for which we are taking the appointment, and we can enter the appointment description if necessary. We can send a WhatsApp reminder message for this specific appointment. Automatically, the WhatsApp app will be opened and our appointment-related message will be sent to the phone number we entered in the patient's card. If we tick the box next to Video Examination, this will automatically activate the related button in the below part of the screen. Once the video appointment time comes, automatic confirmation message about the video call will be sent. After completion of the appointment phase, we may continue with the examination step. Once we click on the related button inside the appointment card, new examination card will be opened. General information about the patient's medical record will be displayed in the upper part of the screen, while there are several tabs found in the lower part. Depending on the expertise of your clinic, additional tabs for specific branches can be added, as well as additional fields corresponding to the needs of each of these branches. We can fill out the main examination procedure steps under the first tab, either manually or by using the templates that we have already created. To use the templates, we should open the area on the left and select among the previously defined ones. We can either select each box next to the related symptom and click on the Transfer button, or select multiple boxes and click on Transfer button below. From the ICD list, we can enter the diagnosed disease based on the ICD code or full name. In case we have asked for some additional tests and analyses that we offer in our clinic, we can easily add these based on definitions we made in the system. By pressing the Add button, new row will be opened, and here we can select one of the predefined tests. Under the Prescription tab, we may add a new record for the related patient. By clicking on the Medicines button in the lower part of the screen, default list of medicines used in your country will be automatically displayed. By double-click on the medicine name, the card of this medicine will be automatically opened. Here we may see the details about this medicine, about the producer, and with the Detail button, go directly to its website. Under the Substitute Medicine tab, the list of alternative medicines is automatically displayed. This saves doctors a considerable amount of time, as there is no need to make extra research on these issues. These information are automatically displayed, and doctors may devote more of her time to the patient. The same as with the previous use of similar screens, we can either select each box and click on the transfer symbol, or we can select multiple boxes and click on transfer button below. Once we have added this medicine, we should also define how it will be used in terms of periods, how many days, with what frequency and number of units such as tablets, drops, boxes, or other specific units. We also define how to use the medicine and whether doctor's prescription is necessary or not. Another method how we can add the prescription is to use the standard or previously defined template prescriptions. Once we have saved this prescription, we can either print it or, again, send it via WhatsApp. In this way, we completed with this part of the examination card. Under Account segment, we may list all the transactions that need to be paid for, as well as add new ones and collect payments. To add new payment, we should click on the related button and select one of the transactions from the list. By clicking on the payment button, new payment card will be opened, and from here we can select the name of the cashier who collected the money as well as the form of payment. Finally, we can also add the report for specific health status checkups that we conduct in our clinic, whether it is general checkup, health status report for driving licenses, or similar. By clicking on the plus button under the Report tab, new report card will be opened with basic patient's information displayed. Under Report Type Name, we can select from the existing report titles or add the new one with the plus button. By opening the screen on the left, we can add the predefined template for the content of the report. Once the doctor finishes with filling out the report, we can save it and print it. Finally, under the Analysis tabs, we can have a quick insight into numbers and figures in terms of number of patients, revenues, and similar. As you have seen from this video, in Mediclinic, it is possible to do all the appointment and examination-related operations from a single screen. However, it is also possible to use the more detailed list on the left, as well as the shortcuts found in the upper toolbar or in the main area on the home page. Leave the appointment and medical records management in the safe hands of Mediclinic and focus your time, energy, and resources to providing your patients with best service and care.